session 2021-22 and felicitation of RTMNU merit students of summer 2020 exam as well as inauguration of student unit. It is mark of our undying tradition to invoke the Almighty at the beginning of an important event. At the outset, I pay my humble homage to our founder president of Sri Shivaji Education Society Amravati, Dr. Punjab Rao alias Bhausaheb Deshmukh and Rashtrasant Tukroji Maharaj. Now we will pay tribute to Mother Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge, and symbolically inaugurate this program. I now request PG Microbiology student Ms. Manali Kakade for Saraswati Vandana.
या कुन्देतु तुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवै सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निशेषजाड्यापहा निशेषजाड्यापहा निशेषजाड्यापहा.
Thank you. It is my proud privilege to welcome dignitaries of this event. Honorable President of today's program, Professor Mahendra Dhore Sir, Principal Science College, Congress Nagar, Nagpur. Respected Coordinator of Department of Microbiology and Biotechnology, Professor Atul Bobde Sir, my colleagues and dear students, welcome you all. We all have gathered here to introduce you all with our eminent staff. Welcome of BSc and MSc first year students admitted for this session, inauguration of Microbiology Society student unit and felicitation of RTMNU merit students of summer 2020 and interaction with our respected coordinator sir and honorable principal sir. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce the department. Yes, microbiology department has been established in 1983 for undergraduate level and for postgraduate level in 2005. Biotechnology has been started in 2005. Courses offered were are UG level microbiology in 3 combinations like CZM, CBM and CMBT. In biotechnology in 1 combination of CMBT. At PG level microbiology course, MSc microbiology. There are some skill-based course and diploma courses in microbiology. It is biofertilizer and biopesticide production and wine technology and fruit processing. In biotechnology department, immunodiagnostics. Our eminent coordinator, Professor Atul D. Bobde, is having the charge of Department of Microbiology and Biotechnology. The teaching faculties are Ms. Dipti Hainal, Ms. Sanchari Sarkar, Mrs. Mayuri Bhad for Biotechnology Department. For Microbiology Department, myself, then Dr. Manpreet Kaur, Mrs. Madhuri Valvekar, Mrs. Nupur Deshmukh, Dr. Priya Phuke, Dr. Sonali Shende and Ms. Shivani Gohane. This is the laboratory staff of Department of Biotechnology and Microbiology. In Biotechnology, Shri Ramesh Saste. From Microbiology, Shri Sanju Bhau Rathod, Shri Dhanraj Kaurati and Shri Avinash Ji Konde. Now, I would like to request Ms. Nupur Deshmukh to introduce our biotechnology staff.
Thank you, Pranita ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. I, Mrs. Nupur Deshmukh, feels privileged to introduce the faculty members of Biotechnology Department. First, Ms. Mayuri Bhad. Qualifications are MSc, SED, B.Ed.
मैडम, आपके बाजू में जो डिवाइस है उसको म्यूट कर दो।
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry for the interruption. Miss Mayuri Bhatt, her qualifications are MSc, SET, B.Ed, PG Diploma in Clinical Research. Her teaching experiences of 2 years. Research experience at NIRI Nagpur, 9 months. Conferences and workshops she attended is number 6. Minor research project 1. Next, Miss Sanchari Sarkar, MSc, SET, GATE, Diploma in Wine Technology and Food Processing. Her teaching experience is 2 years. Research paper she published is 1. Conference workshop 9. Certificate of Merit in Bioinformatics. Next, Ms. D. Dipti Hainal. Her qualifications are MSc, B.Ed, teaching experience 5 years. Conferences and workshops she attended is 16. She is trained PTC instructor under BCIL DBT. Thank you.
I would like to request Ms. Sanchari Sarkar to introduce microbiology department staff.
Thank you, Pranita ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Ms. Sanchari Sarkar, feels privileged to introduce faculty members of microbiology department. Let me introduce our first faculty, Ms. Shivani Gohane. Qualifications, MSc, SET, GATE, conferences or workshops attended, 1. Our next faculty, Dr. Sonali Shende. Qualification, MSc, PhD, teaching experience, 6 years, industrial experience, 1 year, research paper published, 6, conferences or workshops attended, 30. Next, Dr. Priya Fuke. Qualification, MSc, PhD, teaching experience, 2 years, research paper published, 5, conferences or workshops attended, 2. Then next, Mrs. Nupur Deshmukh. Qualification, MSc, teaching experience, 5 years, conferences or workshops attended, 10. Next, Mrs. Madhuri Valvekar. Qualification, MSc, teaching experience, 4 years, research paper published, 1, conferences or workshops attended, 18. Next, Dr. Manpreet Kaur. Qualification, MSc, PhD. She is gold medalist in MSc. Teaching experience, 10 years. Research experience, 8 years of DST major and minor projects. Research paper published, 6. Conferences or workshops attended, 35. Next is Dr. Pranita Kalhane. Qualification, MSc, BA, PhD. Teaching experience, 15 years. Research experience, 3 years of DST. Book, chapter 1, research paper published, 52. Reviewed articles, 28. Research supervision, 47 MSc projects. Conferences or workshops attended, 82. Honors and awards are: she has received Promising Young Scientist Award in 2015, felicitated on International Women's Day in 2015, National Best Research Paper Award by MSI in 2018, First Best Oral Presentation Award in 2019, Appreciation Award for Contribution in MSI in 2019, IGJMTST Excellence Best Young Scientist Award in 2021, and State Level Senior Scientist Award in 2021. Thank you.
Thank you, Sanchari ma'am. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce Microbiology Society India. Microbiology Society India has been established in 1996. The first president was Dr. Ashok Gujar from Karad, and now presently President Dr. A.M. Deshmukh from Pune. In Microbiology Society, some important features I have to share here, that it has the mobile learning, and society has been a pioneer in mobile learning. The society has created a microbiology group on Telegram Messenger, and more than 7,900 students from India and other countries are members of that group. The information of job opportunities, seminars, conferences, workshops, trainings in microbiology is given in this group. We have more than 30 WhatsApp groups for teachers, researchers, and industrialists to exchange the microbiology knowledge. These groups are very helpful for interaction among microbiologists. In international conferences, every year, MSI are organizing international conferences out of India like Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, Mauritius, Dubai, USA, Andaman, Maldives, etc. The next conference is in Bali, Indonesia. In webinars, we have in MSI organized many national and international webinars in microbiology by using WIZ-IQ software. More than 100 teachers, more than 100 colleges, and more than 5,000 students are benefited by these workshops. MSI has organized Rangoli exhibition on topic immunology in 2019. 122 colleges all over India and about 6,000 students from India has participated in this event. Apart from this, fermented food festival has been organized by MSI, in which total 96 colleges from all over India and about 7,000 students from India has participated in this event. Student annual members. More than 10,000 students joined this society as annual members in the last year only. The society has about 150 student unit in India and abroad. MOU. The society is joining hands with reputed centers by acting as a bridge between the scientists and students for acquiring practical knowledge. MSI have made MOU with many colleges and institutes in India and abroad. Virtual classes. The society is regularly conducting virtual classes in microbiology from last 6 years. About 250 colleges have attended the same and about 100 teachers have delivered the virtual lectures. The Microbiology Society has about 596 live members from India and outside of India. There are some yearly themes which have been given by Microbiology Society for public awareness. Every year that society has given one topic for awareness in our society, and in 2014-15 they have given biofertilizer and biopesticide theme. In 15-16 it was pure water for better health. After that, protect your teeth was in 2016 and 17. Genetically modified foods in 17-18. Antibiotic resistance awareness in 18-19. Microbes for clean environment 2019-20. Bioentrepreneurship in 2021. And this year's theme is of communicable diseases. To declare these themes means the purpose of this society is that we have to conduct different activities for students from college under this theme, so that there is some awareness and we can help our society to get aware of that topic and related issues. Awards. The society is giving different awards like Best Department, Best Teacher, Best Young Scientist, Best Senior Scientist Award, Best Industrial Microbiologist Award, and Lifetime Microbiology Devotion Award at national as well as state level. They have also given Lifetime Microbiology Devotion Award. It is their peculiarity that they are not giving the achievement award, that this award is only given to the eminent personnel in the field of microbiology and biotechnology who have devoted themselves for this subject. And this is the list of that eminent personnel, researchers and professors, that Dr. B.N. Johari from Bhopal and other people also. But the proud moment is that our respected Dr. H.F. Daginawala sir has also received this Lifetime Microbiology Devotion Award in 2019. Best student recognition. We are giving mementos and certificates to one best students of every department of India in microbiology and biotechnology in collaboration with Microbiology Society India. Last year, MSI has distributed such 700 mementos all over India. COVID warriors, MSI made an appeal to the students to enroll their names to work as COVID warriors. MSI supplied such 800 microbiology and biotechnology graduates to PCR labs in the last 2 years. MSI felicitated such warriors by giving mementos. It includes our microbiology college students are also included in this PCR labs in testing and all such procedures. Students from all states and Nepal participated in this activity. Donation to COVID fund was also given by Microbiology Society, and they have only restricted ₹10 from the student and maximum ₹100 from the adults. And these are some activities which are carried out by MSI. So this is about brief introduction about Microbiology Society India. Now I would like to announce the office bearers of this Microbiology Society student unit. So it gives me immense pleasure to request Honorable Principal Sir to please inaugurate this Microbiology Society student unit.
Thank you, madam. With great pleasure, I announce the names of members and office bearers of the Microbiology Society of India in our college unit. And here, let us see whether it is visible to you or not. But still, I can read out the Department of Microbiology, the Microbiology Subject Society at Science College, Nagpur. The office bearers, I read out the names. The chief patron, being the principal of the college, I am the chief patron. Then patron, another patron is Professor E.D. Boble, who is coordinator of Microbiology and Biotechnology Department and head of the Department of Zoology in our college. Convener is Dr. Pranita Gullane. President of the MSI Society in our college is Kanchan Selukar from MSc final year. Vice President, Mr. Sarvesh Bagde from BSc final year. Secretary of the Society is Sangharsh Kunde, again from MSc final year. Joint Secretary, Bhavika Raupura, MSc final year. Treasurer of the Society, Snehal Chaudhary from MSc final year. And there are 4 executive members, namely Vaishnavi Mewade from MSc final, Manasi Brahmankar from MSc first year, Aditya Kallatu, BSc second year, and Yashika Raut from BSc first year. So I congratulate all the office bearers of this MSI Society unit in our college and wish them a very fruitful and a year full of activities in this session 21-22. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Congratulations to all the office bearers and executive members of Microbiology Society student unit. Once again, thank you, Honorable Principal Sir. It is a proud moment for all of us that our students bag the university merit positions every year. A total of 26 merit positions from undergraduate Department of Microbiology are achieved by our college from 1987 to till date. And total 35 merit positions from postgraduate Department of Microbiology from the very first batch of 2006 to till date. Especially to share here that in 2012, all 5 RTMNU merit positions were bagged by our students. It gives again me the proud privilege to mention that for PG Microbiology every year, RTMNU merit list is not completed without including merit students name of our department from our Science College, Congress Nagar, Nagpur. Congratulations to all and a very big thank you to Honorable Principal Sir for their continuous guidance and motivation to our students and staff. In 2020, 4 merit positions are bagged by our 4 students, Sanskruti Kukde and Muskan Harde in 2nd merit position, Lavanya Shriramwar for 3rd merit position, and Sheetal Bante has bagged 4th merit position. So these are some merits of our 2020 batch. Now I would like to request these merit students as well as our college toppers, Ms. Rakhi Khandelwal, Komal Doble and Supriya Ninkar to share their views for motivating our junior students.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Rakhi Khandelwal.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody from the students list?
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. Respected principal, sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. Feeling blessed having this opportunity to thank the college and all my teachers for constantly motivating us and providing that environment and all that facilities that keeps us grooming. I really felt that the efforts taken here by microbiology department and every teacher is countless, from our practicals, theories to all the extracurricular activities you should be part of. Talking about all those activities, really want to thank Pranita ma'am for my best student award, as building that contact with the MSI, that is Microbiology Society India, and always encouraging everybody to participate in the activities, and also keep motivating to have your focus on your studies too. The microbiology department always follows discipline in every aspect, and I would like to thank Manpreet ma'am too for her guidance during my master's thesis and still keep me inspiring for my review paper writing. And to Madhuri ma'am, as you will need any of the books or notes, she will definitely try in providing you either in hard copy or soft copy format. The best part is that means you will never feel alone or lost, that is having not way out in any way, because every teacher is gonna have aspect or considers all your problem and will help you out from personal issues to the study related issues. That's all. Thank you. All the best to all the new students for their future, and keep healthy competition with your classmates and keep growing. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Rakhi. Yes, next.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, principal sir, and my teachers, and all my friends. Today, firstly, I want to welcome you all that students that who got the admissions in the Shivaji Science College, and I'm really very happy for those students who got this place for the further education completing, and I'm really happy with completing my journey, master's journey from the Shivaji Science College, because the college is committed to the highest standards of educational and other provision for the students. And here also high quality teaching assessment and management of the learning. Here all teachers are very cooperative about your studies, and your all problems related to studies and activities. Here you will got a really friendly and safe professional environment for your studies. And I lastly want to tell you that have a healthy competitions with your friends and batchmates, and focus on yourself. All the best for your studies and have a shinier future ahead. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Komal. Lavanya, you can share your views.
Okay. Hello, am I audible, ma'am?
Yes.
Good afternoon to all, ma'am, and principal sir and all the students. Thank you, Pranita ma'am, for giving this nice opportunity to share my views. 2 years of my master's is very amazing. Those were my best days in Shivaji Science College. Especially, I mentioned the name of Pranita ma'am because she was my guide during my project work. She helped me a lot during my project work, as well as Manpreet ma'am, Madhuri ma'am, also very cooperative. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Lavanya, you can speak.
Okay.
Your voice is not audible.
Hello. Every teaching staff is very amazing. Everyone helped me a lot during my project work. So I especially thank to every one of you, everyone. Pranita ma'am, thank you so much for guiding me a lot during my MSc. And this is all about hard working. If you don't hard work is the result of your success. So all the best to all the students for your bright future. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Lavanya. Yes, if Muskan, Sanskriti, or Sheetal have joined this meeting, they can speak. Are they in this meeting present or not? Okay. So I think that students have not joined this meeting. So thank you very much, our scholar students, for your views to motivate our juniors of our first year MSc and BSc students. Yes. Now I would like to introduce our respected coordinator of Department of Microbiology and Biotechnology, respected Professor Atul Bobde sir, for his address.
Shall I start?
Sir, just a minute. I would like to introduce yourself first. Yes, sir. Professor Atul Bobde, sir. He is coordinator of both the departments. He has teaching experience of 30 years. He is recipient of many national and international awards. He has organized international conferences in Thailand, Bangkok, Singapore, Sri Lanka, and Malaysia. He has supervised 3 PhD students and have published more than 60 research papers in national and international conferences as well as conference proceedings. He has also attended and presented in many conferences and workshops at national and international level. So I would like to request our respected coordinator, sir, Professor Bobde, sir, to address our students.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Hello, friends. First, I pay my humble homage to Dr. Panjabrao alias Bhavsaheb Deshmukh, a great visionary leader and founder president of Sri Shivaji Education Society, Amravati. Honorable Principal, Professor M.P. Dhore sir, Dr. Pranita Gullane madam, all my colleagues, and dear students. Friends, today's gathering of UG and PG students of microbiology department is organized for 3 main purposes. One is for the interaction of honorable principal with PG students. Secondly, to inaugurate the microbiology society in the department and to aware the student with Indian Microbiology Society. As a coordinator of microbiology department, I cordially welcome the new admitted students in UG and PG in microbiology department. Dear friends, microbiology is one of the subjects which is directly related with the health of mankind. During last 2 years, we have experienced the strength of microbes. A single coronavirus has disturbed our routine life catastrophically. Indian Microbiology Association is an renowned microbiological association which having great scientists and academicians. The purpose of organization of this program is to attach our student with the Society of Eminent Peoples of Microbiology. Students, as we are about to start our UG and PG education in subjects, we have to keep certain basic things in our minds, which may be helpful in our future. During this journey, we have to recall certain thoughts in our mind. According to Indian culture, our parents have taught us lots of basic of survival in the life. But in the busy schedule of classes and practicals, we cannot spare time to recall the lessons given by our elders. See friends, during the survival of life as a human being, the education is almost important. But only the education and merit are not sufficient for the survival in the world. But certain basic things taught by our parents and elders also have equal importance. I am not going to teach you very new lessons, but only trying to recall the lessons we have learned in our childhood. First is humanity. Humanity plays important role during the progress of our life. Humanity makes us reachable to people. We can make more beloved friends. Such good friends may play main role to develop certain new ideas in our life. Secondly, the planning and management in life. As we know, whole world has now turned towards the management education. Why are the people turning towards management? We can actually manage our daily life activities very easily. We just need a game plan. Nature has given 12 hours for our daily activities from morning to evening, and we are spending only 6 hours in the college. Think what we are doing in remaining 6 hours of the day. As Gandhiji said, simple living and high thinking, we have to spare a little time to think what we are doing and what we need to change in order to utilize much more time. The next point is positive attitude. Our attitude decides actually how we express ourselves in our surroundings. Positive attitude makes our life easy. Even our parents or teachers gets angry, we must have to think, why are they annoyed? What is my mistake? If you have positive attitude in your mind, you can turn your mind in proper way and try to correct your mistakes. Another important aspect of this is work culture. It is the proper time for you to develop the work culture. Think what is our duty as a student? Mainly, it is to educate ourselves with our study. Then spare more time to practice because it is your main work. See friends, the life on earth is viable because all the living and non-living things in the environment do their work properly. Think, if insects stop their work of pollination, or farmers stop their work of farming, or useful bacteria stop their work of enzymatic activity, then what will happen? Human beings cannot survive on the earth if they stop their activities. Nature has woven all the living beings in an ecosystem. As a biology students, you better know, if any single component of the ecosystem, if stops its work, then entire ecosystem get collapsed. So do your allotted work with more efficiency. Lastly, it comes the honesty. Honesty is the best policy. Friends, keep this proverb in your mind every time, because honesty toward teachers, elders, and friends help to build our career. It also helps to find the new paths in life. Moreover, I say study, honesty, and confidence are three important things that helps to make your career best. So try to follow it. Okay, I will not take more of your time, but I want to sincerely convey you that every day you must spend 5 minutes to think about your life choices and remind yourself the purpose for which you live this life. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your motivational words to our students. They will definitely follow it. Thank you very much. Yes, it gives me immense pleasure to introduce our Honorable Principal, sir, of Science College, Congress Nagar, Nagpur. Our Honorable Principal, sir, have 25 years of teaching experience. He has a total of 68 research papers published to his credit in national and international journals, as well as in many conferences proceedings. He has completed major and minor research projects funded by UGC as well as University Research Scheme respectively. He has also been invited for some invited talks and the chairmanships of 23 national and international conferences. He has supervised 5 PhD students and 3 are working under his supervision. He has attended and presented his research work in more than 58 conferences and workshops in India and abroad. He has also visited Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore on his academic assignments. Responsibilities and positions which he has had are NAC assessor, member of the Academic Council of RTM Nagpur University Nagpur, member of Academic Council of JB Science College Wardha, member of Board of Studies in Computer Science RTM Nagpur University Nagpur, member of Board of Studies in Computer Applications KK Sanskrit University Ramtek, ex-member Board of IT RTM Nagpur University Nagpur, ex-coordinator at RTM Nagpur University Nagpur for the spoken tutorial project of IIT Mumbai, ex-member of the Board of Studies in Computer Science at SGP Amravati University Amravati, and ex-member of the Board of Studies in Computer Science of JB Science College Wardha. Yes, so it is a very proud moment and it is an honor to request our Honorable Principal Sir, and this is the very much awaited interaction for our students and staff with our Honorable Principal Sir. So it is my honor to request Principal Sir to share his views.
Thank you, Madam. Thank you for introducing me in detail. Actually, introduction of principal is not required in such programs, I feel. Okay, anyway, firstly, I pay my humble homage to our founder, president, and our inspiration, Dr. Panjabrao alias Bhausaheb Deshmukh. I also pay my homage to the great Saint Rashtrasanta Tukadoji Maharaj, and we all know after whom this Nagpur University is named as Rashtrasanta Tukadoji Maharaj Nagpur University, Nagpur. Professor A.D. Bobde, Head Department of Zoology and Coordinator of Department of Microbiology and Department of Biotechnology. Madam Pranita Gullane, Madam Dipti Hainal, Madam Manpreet Kaur, Mayuri Bhad Madam, Sanchari Sarkar Madam, Madhuri Walwekar Madam, Shivani Gohane Madam, Fuke Madam, Nupur Deshmukh Madam, Sonali Shende Madam, and all the teaching staff members of Microbiology and Biotechnology Department who are online available in this program, and last but not the least, the main attraction of today's program, our newly admitted students of BSc and MSc 1, and all my dear students of BSc second year, third year, and MSc second year of Microbiology and Biotechnology departments. A very good afternoon to all of you. Dear students, firstly, I thank you all for inviting me for this program, which is for the welcoming of newly admitted students of BSc 1 and MSc 1. Secondly, felicitation of the meritorious students of summer 2020 examination of Nagpur University. And thirdly, inauguration of the student unit of Microbiology Society of India at our college. So likewise, this program is a threefold program, and I am very much thankful to you for inviting me for this particular program as the president of the program. I am also here as inaugurator for the student unit of MSI. I take this opportunity to congratulate those students who were involved in preparing the invitation card of this particular program. I am sure that almost 154 online teachers and students are attending this program, and many of you may not be knowing how the invitation card which was given to me looks like. So I am very happy to say that the invitation card which was given to me yesterday is very innovative. Much has been written. This is the cover page. Much has been written on the invitation card, plus some qualities of your beloved principal you have also specified in that card. And then it was a request from the students to appear before you in this particular program. So really, I like that invitation card. It is a kind of innovative one. The words which you have chosen for writing the invitation card are very good. As far as I am concerned, all good words are there for me. So I don't think I am that much good, but still, I think that the invitation that you have given to me has impressed me a lot. And for that, I congratulate the team who have prepared that invitation card, and they have taken a lot of efforts for preparing the invitation card. Now, as far as the program is concerned, I firstly welcome all those newly admitted students of BSc 1 and MSc 1 in our college. I think you students are fortunate that you could be able to secure a seat in our college for the course that you have opted for. I am very proud sharing with you that the Department of Microbiology and Department of Biotechnology is the highly sought after departments for the UG and PG courses among the students. As we all know that our college runs 12 different combinations at UG level, and at PG level, we offer PG courses in 5 different subjects. I feel proud that the admissions for microbiology and biotechnology gets filled in the first instance. This year, I have seen that for all the PG courses, we had to list first waiting list, second waiting list, and third waiting list for the admissions to MSc first year. But many of you must be knowing that there was not second waiting list for the microbiology course. Meaning, in the first original list and in the first waiting list, all the seats were full in our MSc microbiology course. Such is the demand of students in Nagpur University for the course of MSc microbiology in our college. And I give all the credit of this demand to the teaching staff members of the microbiology and biotechnology departments and all the students or all the alumni of the departments, that they have put in their efforts, and their efforts have made us proud, and that is the result that many of these students, in fact every student who wills or who wishes to go for post graduation in microbiology, or every student who wishes to have graduation in microbiology and biotechnology in Nagpur University region, he or she wishes to get enrolled in our department, in our college. So that is all credit goes to our teaching staff members and our former students of the departments. Now, as far as the department is concerned, Madam Gulane has already shared with you that what are the various facilities in our Department of Microbiology and Biotechnology. Now, being the principal of this college, I can say that ours is the state-of-the-art Department of Microbiology and Department of Biotechnology in Nagpur University region. We do have state-of-the-art equipments in both the laboratories, and moreover, in biotechnology department, we are having some advanced instruments which are not required at all for the UG studies. There are many instruments, equipments which are required for master's studies of biotechnology that we are having in our biotechnology department, and we make those equipments, instruments which are highly sophisticated and which are required for PG studies, that we make available to our UG students also. So that is the strength of the department. And similar is the case with microbiology department. As far as the richness in the laboratory is concerned, I will share with you a small example. Dear friends, last year in the month of March, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, our country was locked down in the last week of March. That means March 2020. And after that, the number of cases of COVID positive were increasing, and Nagpur was not exception for that. In our Nagpur city, the number of positive cases were increasing day by day. And in the beginning 3-4 months, that is up to May, March, April, May, the facilities for the diagnosis of or the testing of this COVID-19 was available in only IGMC and GMC, Government Medical College. The number of tests performed for this COVID-19 were limited in few hundreds or in double digits only. Because that was the beginning of the that was the beginning of the pandemic, and the day by day new cases were found, and testing of those cases used to take almost a couple of days. In our case, in Nagpur region, we had to initially send those test samples to cities like Mumbai and Pune, and from there we used to get their reports. That means if I am testing today for COVID-19, I would be getting my result, whether negative or positive, in a week, within a week. That was the situation in those initial 3 months of COVID-19 pandemic. And whatever was the facilities available in our government medical college, the instruments there were not coping with the requirement of the number of tests. So one of our alumni, Dr. Kokate, is working in GMC, and he was aware that we at Shivaji Science College are having state-of-the-art equipments, and probably I will not be able to recall that name of the equipment, but it was something cooling centrifuge likewise. That equipment is used for making the test for COVID-19, and as there was limited number of equipments, that cooling centrifuge in Government Medical College Nagpur, that the alumni of our student, who was well aware of the facilities in our college, he requested us to loan the cooling centrifuge equipment, and it was almost locked down. The college was closed, and even principal was at home. I was not coming daily to the college. Complete lockdown was there, and Dr. Professor Kokate called me and he asked for this equipment, and that was a very proud feeling for me, proud moment for me, that our college equipment is being made available for the benefit of the society at district administration level and at the government medical college. So within a second, I asked him that we'll be giving you the equipment for the testing purpose, and I called Professor Madhugiri madam, and accordingly we called Mr. Avi Kunde. He was also at his home. The transition of people on roads was not permitted. Then also Mr. Avi Kunde came here, Dr. Kokate came here, I came here, and along with Mr. Dhumade from our office, we were able to loan that particular device to Government Medical College, and fortunately our device was working. And that device, Professor Kokate took that device to the Government Medical College, and that device was there for almost 1.5 months, and that was utilized for making the test reports of COVID-19 suspects. So this is one of the good thing, that our college, being at Shivaji Science College, we could be able to help the society, help the government, help the district administration by sharing our resources with the Government Medical College. So I feel we should be proud of such facilities which are available at our institution. So that way I am saying that this particular department is rich in all respects. Obviously, we do have a dedicated and competent staff members. No doubt, we do not have any regular appointment in both the departments, as all the teaching staff members who were regularly appointed in our microbiology department have recently got retired. And as the government restrictions are there for appointing a regular appointment for the teaching staff members, our society is unable to recruit regular staff members, but still we do have a galaxy of ad hoc teachers, learned teachers. They are having doctorates, they are NET/SET qualified. By all means, they are eligible for getting recruited for the assistant professor post in both the departments, biotechnology and microbiology. So we are also proud of our teachers. While expressing views, our MSc second year students, Rakhi Khandelwal, Komal Dobre and Lavanya Srimanwar, they have also made a reference. They have also expressed their gratitude towards the teaching staff members of our department. So I felt very proud. I also thank our students, Rakhi, Komal, Lavanya, for sharing your views, and whatever you spoke about our facilities in the department, and you spoke about our teachers. Thank you for that. In fact, this college has a rich tradition of teachers and students also. This is a college with a galaxy of meritorious students. And as far as the Department of Microbiology and Biotechnology is concerned, as we have seen a screenshot where we have seen the list of students who found their names in the university merit list. Since the inception of the department, the microbiology department and the biotechnology department have found their places in the merit list of Nagpur University. And the last merit list, that is summer 2020, is not exception for that. In that list also, we found our students in the MSc Microbiology merit list of RTM Nagpur University. Miss Sanskruti Kukde was the second merit. Muskan Harde was also second merit. That means within our college, within our students, there is a tough competition. That means our two students scored second merit position in Nagpur University examinations in summer 20. That's the healthy competition that we have in our college. Then Lavanya Srimanwar was third merit and Sheetal Bante was fourth merit in the merit list of MSc Microbiology. I take this opportunity to congratulate all these four merit students of our department, Sanskruti, Muskan, Lavanya and Sheetal, that they have brought laurels to our college, to our department of microbiology. At the same time, I wish all four of them a bright future ahead and do whatever you feel in your life. I am quite sure that you will excel in your lives, in your professional career also, because being an Shivajian, you are going to definitely excel in your professional career also. So my best wishes to you all. Secondly, we have just inaugurated or we have just installed the student unit of microbiology society in our college. I have read out all the names of the office bearers of the society. I congratulate all those office bearers of the society of MSI in our college unit. At the same time, I would like to say that the office bearers are having a great responsibility of organizing different activities announced by the Microbiology Society of India. During the academic session, many activities are announced by the MSI, and those activities we are carrying out at our college unit. So being office bearers of the society, it is your responsibility. Whatever appeals are made by the MSI, accordingly we need to work out, we need to implement the programs in our college. And I am sure the Department of Microbiology students are well confident and they will organize all such events under the aegis of Microbiology Society of India in our unit. Under the aegis of Microbiology Society of India, various activities are organized throughout the year. I have witnessed many of the activities in last 2 years. So I appeal all the students of the department to actively get participated in the activities, because all biotechnology students are having microbiology subject with them. So every student of microbiology and biotechnology, they are by default members of Microbiology Society. So it is up to you up to what extent you should exploit the platform of this society, subject society or the MSI society. I wish that each one of you should exploit the opportunities which are made available to you with the platform of this Microbiology Society unit at our college, our Microbiology Society of our college. So as far as the society is concerned, it is not only the responsibility of the office bearers only. I would like to mention here that each and every member of the society is office bearer of the society. But to limit the list of office bearers, we are having some representative names, that particular XYZ is treasurer, XYZ is president, other is vice president. But I think there should be a feeling in each and every member that I am the office bearer of the society. And this will happen only when you will have a sense of possessiveness. Dear students, I am very sorry to say that nowadays I am observing our students lack the sense of possessiveness, the sense of belongingness in them. My students should be possessive that this is my college, this is my department, this is my campus. The moment you have this kind of possessiveness, this kind of belongingness in you, the moment you are going to get yourself educated. As Professor Bobde has rightly said that you should have an aim of educating yourself. So I don't mean that by education we mean only the subjects of study. By education we mean all-round development of a student, and we at Shivaji Science College give a platform to all our students to nurture all the academic as well as extracurricular activities at this campus. I appeal all the students to take maximum benefit of participating in each and every activities of the departments and each and every activities which are organized in the department under the aegis of these societies and under the aegis of the department also. Again, one point I would like to share with you that apart from the academics, the UG and PG, we in this department of microbiology and biotechnology, we offer some skill-based courses which are offered under the lifelong learning department of Rashtrasant Tukadoji Maharaj Nagpur University. In collaboration with Department of Lifelong Learning, we are running these skill-based courses, and for these skill-based courses, we are having a nominal fees so that the expenses of the teachers have to be met, and the intake for these courses is limited. I think almost an intake of 20 is there, and obviously for the intake of this value-added skill-based courses, the intake is of only 20, and you are in your number is in hundreds. So obviously there will be some rush for getting enrolled to these skill-based courses. But again, our Professor Bobde and Madam Gulane will have some merit criteria for admitting the students as per merit, just like the admissions to BSc and MSc course were made. Thus, in the same manner, there will be admissions for these skill-based courses also. So I appeal you all to take benefit of these skill-based courses and try to enhance your skills in other areas which will have value addition to your academic resume. So with these words, I would like to have some suggestions for my dear students. Dear students, be realistic in life. Know your strengths. And as Professor Bobde has also said that, be honest with yourself and be honest with your teachers also. Be a good and responsible citizens of India. And as we are facing the COVID-19 pandemic situation, and as has been announced by the state administration that the degree colleges will be opening very soon. So I expect that each and every student of my college who is 18 plus should get himself or herself vaccinated. Those students who have not got their vaccine till now, they should rush to the vaccination centers and get themselves vaccinated, because in the coming 8 to 10 days, anytime our colleges will resume physically and you need to come to college to attend the classes. So let us pray to the Almighty that very soon we will be physically in our college campus and we will be resuming our classes and practicals in offline mode. So with these words, I wish all the students very good stay for 3 years for UG students and for 2 years for PG students. Whatever difficulties you have, do contact to your teachers, and if your teachers are not able to address your difficulties, I am there to address your all sort of difficulties. So with these words, I take your leave. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, Honorable Principal, sir, for your motivational words and guidance for our students as well as faculties. It will give the positive energy to all of us to give our best. So thank you very much, sir, for your motivational words. Thank you, sir. Now I would like to call upon Ms. Deepti Hainal, Madam, for vote of thanks.
Thank you, Pranita ma'am. A graceful and warm good afternoon to our most honorable principal, sir, our respected coordinator, sir, worthy faculty, most beloved students. My humble homage to our founder, president, late Dr. Punjab Rao Deshmukh and Rashtrajan Tukhroji Maharaj. I, Ms. Deepti Hainal, it is my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. First of all, I would like to give my hearty vote of thanks to our Honorable Principal, Dr. M.P. Dore, sir, for giving your thought-provoking words and valuable guidance. Thank you very much, sir, for an amazing interaction with our students, as we, the faculty and students, were eagerly waiting for this interaction, because you are always an inspiration for us to encourage learning spirit in our students. I would like to thank our coordinator, respected Dr. A.D. Bobde, sir, for his guidance and moral support. I would like to thank Dr. Pranita Gulhane, ma'am, for the wonderful thought which we have received from her to conduct welcome and felicitation program of students as a tradition of our department. I also extend thanks to all the teaching faculty of both biotechnology and microbiology department for their cooperation. Last but not the least, I would like to thank our wonderful students who have turned up in such a great number for their patience and cooperation. Once again, I thank all who have helped us in making this program a very resounding success. Thank you.
Thank you, Deepti ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, all of you.
Principal, sir, shall we conclude here?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, all of you. All the best.
Okay, thank you very much.